Below your seat there's actually a cable system that connects the two gears so that your seat could slide. This one actually broke, so yep, see that stuff here, it broke, and then this whole cable snapped off from its housing. So when it rotates, it just basically like ploughing around. I mean, it's ploughing around there. Then there's a lock mechanism here that you put in here, and then it will lock it on the main motor that drives this. Yep. So it's actually down there, connected to that motor over there. Yeah, that motor connects to this. You put that shaft, this one, over there, and then the other end goes to the gear on this side. This one doesn't have any problems. This side is intact. This is the one that's working. This side isn't because of this. So what I'm going to do is reposition this, and then probably put a zip tie if possible, but we'll see. Okay. Got the bracket in place now, so we'll see. I have to do it down there without taking the seat so that it will be easier, because in order to get the bolt over here, you need to slide it, but the problem is it won't slide. So yep, it's a chicken and egg problem. Yep, look at that, it's working.